how to create presentations using Napkin AI. First, open your favorite web browser and go to napkin.ai. Then sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Next, type or paste the topic, notes, or content you want to turn into presentation visuals. For example, you can enter "Create a presentation about artificial intelligence for beginners." After adding your content, click Generate Visuals. Napkin AI will automatically create professional diagrams, flowcharts, timelines, and other visual elements based on your text. Review the generated visuals and click on any element to customize the colors, fonts, icons, layout, or text. You can also generate additional visuals if you'd like more design options. Once you're happy with the results, click the Export button. Depending on your account, you can download your visuals as PNG, SVG, or PDF, or copy them into Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides to complete your presentation. That's it. You've successfully created presentation visuals using Napkin AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, productivity tips, and easy tech guides.